I just wanted to come on here and tell everybody in the RV industry is quitting. Everybody's stopping full-time RVing. They're quitting. It's too hard. The truck breaks down. You get a flat tire. Oh, we quit. We're going home. And I want all of you guys to know that just, in my opinion, is bunk. It's funny how this YouTube world with all these RVers are all talking about how everybody's quitting. The whole industry's quitting. Dealerships are all going out of business. You know, you won't be able to buy a new RV, and if you do, they're all junk, and on and on and on and on and on. Well, I think that's silly. I just want to say that I think that's just not happening. If everybody quits, it'll make it nicer for the few remaining 10 people that stay. But yeah, to put up a big headline that says everybody's quitting RVing is silly. There's a lot of people that come in and out of it. There's a lot of people full time. There's a lot of people that just go on fun 1-week vacations in their RV, fun 2-week vacations in their RV. Some people that are snowbirds that go out for 2 or 3 months in their RV. Well, the fact that gas prices are up and everything else, that's not going to make people completely quit. It's going to make people reconsider. It's going to make people maybe travel a little bit less or stay in one spot for longer. I mean, RVing doesn't have to be expensive. If you're out boondocking, you can stay for weeks at a time and only move around as needed to get groceries and supplies and water and to dump. So not that RVing's super economical, but it doesn't have to be a big panic, mass exodus, because people on YouTube started making videos that says, everybody's quitting, everybody's quitting. I don't believe that for even a second. So, I know this is kind of a funny video to make. I would like to see and hear from everybody in the comments. Are you quitting? Have you changed your RV lifestyle at all based on the way the economy is or based on things? I certainly don't think it's the case. I'm not quitting RVing. I really enjoy it. I do a lot of it. I'm not a full-time RVer, but I really do spend a lot of time in our RV traveling around, and we have a really good time with it. So we're certainly not quitting. We're going to keep the wheels turning, so to speak. So I hope this RV video, take it with a grain of salt, not overly serious. Not everybody's quitting. I'm not quitting. Leave your comments below. Tell me more about your adventures. And then make sure and like, share, subscribe, and tell your mom.